Climate change is an impending crisis that will have dire consequences for our planet in the future. The negative effects of climate change are far-reaching, and if not addressed urgently, they will impact every aspect of our lives. Rising temperatures, extreme weather events, and the loss of biodiversity are just a few of the numerous challenges that await us. One of the most alarming effects of climate change is the increase in global temperatures. As greenhouse gas emissions continue to rise, the Earth's average temperature is also on the rise. This leads to the melting of polar ice caps and rising sea levels, putting coastal areas at risk of flooding. Imagine entire cities and communities being swallowed by the ocean, displacing millions of people and causing unimaginable human suffering. Extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and intense as a result of climate change. Hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves are just a few examples of the extreme weather events that we can expect to see more frequently in the future. These events devastate communities, destroying homes, infrastructure, and agricultural lands. The already vulnerable populations, such as the poor and marginalized, will be hit the hardest, exacerbating existing inequalities. The loss of biodiversity is another significant consequence of climate change. Rising temperatures and changing weather patterns disrupt ecosystems, leading to the extinction of countless plant and animal species. This loss of biodiversity not only erodes the natural beauty of our planet, but also affects the delicate balance of ecosystems on which we depend for food, clean air, and fresh water. Our own survival is at stake. Furthermore, climate change has severe implications for public health. Heat waves can lead to heat stroke and other heat-related illnesses, particularly affecting the elderly and those with pre-existing health conditions. Additionally, changing climate patterns can cause the spread of diseases such as malaria and dengue fever as the habitats of disease-carrying mosquitoes expand. The consequences of climate change are too significant to ignore. Urgent action is required to mitigate its effects and adapt to the inevitable changes. Governments, corporations, and individuals must all take responsibility and make sustainable choices. We need to reduce our carbon footprint by transitioning to renewable energy, adopting greener transportation options, and embracing energy-efficient practices. Education and awareness are crucial in combating climate change. By educating ourselves and others about its negative effects, we can inspire collective action and drive policy change. We must support initiatives that promote sustainable practices, invest in research and development of clean technologies, and ensure the protection and restoration of our natural habitats. The future of our planet hangs in the balance. We have a responsibility to act, not just for ourselves, but for future generations. Let us come together and address climate change head-on by making a conscious effort to reduce our impact on the environment. We can create a sustainable and habitable future for all. The time to act is now.